In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on two-factor verification on your Gmail account. So in order to turn on two-step verification for your Gmail account, you need to turn it on for your Google account as it's essentially the same thing. So to do this, head over to an internet browser and from here, just launch up google.com and make sure you're logged in to your Google account. From the top right-hand side, click on your profile icon and then select Manage your Google account. From the navigation at the top, scroll across until you see the Security tab and select this. Scroll down and select two-step verification. You may need to re-enter the password for your Google account. Once you've entered your password, hit next and then select how you want to receive a verification code. I'm going to select my phone number. Once you've entered your phone number, click send. Enter the verification code that you would receive by text message. And now that we're on this two-step verification page, you just need to scroll down slightly and select turn on two-step verification. So that's going to now link your phone number with your two-step verification. So if I click done, you can also add two-step verification with any of these methods down here. So you can use the authenticator app, you can use backup codes, or you can even use pass keys and security keys. But I think by far the easiest is just linking it to a phone number. So that's what I'm going to stick with in this video. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you turn on two-step verification on Gmail. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.